Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss the last exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 3.3. Okay, let's start. Exercise 3.3. Now let's see question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, and the last one is -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Students, we know that x-axis and y-axis divide the Cartesian plane into 4 parts called quadrants. Here first, here second, here third, and here fourth quadrant. Okay. Now in first quadrant, the coordinates of a point are of the form positive, positive. In second quadrant, negative, positive. In third, negative, negative. And in fourth quadrants, positive, negative. Okay. Let's see, in -2, 4, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So it lies in the second quadrant. Now here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Now next point is -1, 0. Here x coordinate is -1 and y coordinate is 0. Students, all of you know that y coordinate of every point on x axis is 0. It means this point lies on x axis, but here x coordinate is negative, so the point -1, 0 lies on the negative x axis. Okay, clear? Now next point is 1, 2. Here x and y coordinate both are positive, so it lies in first quadrant. Okay, now next one is -3, -5. Here x and y coordinate both are negative, so it lies in the third quadrant. Okay, clear? Now question says verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So students, according to question, we have to verify our answer by locating all these points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, here the right side of x-axis is positive and left is negative. Okay, and here the positive side of y-axis and here negative side of y-axis. Okay, here first point is -2, 4. Students, all of you know that in -2, 4, -2 is x coordinate and 4 is y coordinate. Okay, now see in figure, on x-axis here we have -2 and on y-axis here 4. Now students, from -2 on x-axis draw a perpendicular, and then y-axis from 4 draw another perpendicular. So you will see both are intersects at this point. So this point will be -2, 4. Okay, here we clearly see that this point lies in the second quadrant. Okay, now next one is 3, -1. On x-axis 3 is here and on y-axis -1 is here. So the required point with the coordinates 3, -1 is here. Here we clearly see that 3, -1 lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, now our next point is -1, 0. Here x coordinate is -1, so on x-axis -1 is here and y coordinate of this point is 0. So at this point, here the required point with the coordinates -1, 0. It lies on the negative x-axis. Okay, now next is 1, 2. On x-axis 1 is here, on y-axis 2 is here. So the required point with the coordinates 1, 2 is here. It lies in the first quadrant. Okay, now next one is -3, -5. On x-axis -3 is here On y-axis, minus 5 is here. So, minus 3 comma minus 5 will be here. Okay? It lies in the third quadrant. Okay, students? I hope it is clear to you. Now, let's see question number 2. Plot the points x comma y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Here x, here y. Here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 3. And here 8, 7, minus 1.25, here 3, here minus 1. Students, from this table, we have 5 points to plot in the Cartesian plane, which are, where x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 8, we have minus 2 comma 8, here minus 1 comma 7, here 0 comma minus 1.25, here 1 comma 3, and last one is 3 comma minus 1. Okay, students? Now, here we draw a Cartesian plane. Here x-axis and here y-axis. Here we use 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, students? Here positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Here first point is minus 2 comma 8. So on x-axis minus 2 is here, on y-axis it is here. So the required point with the coordinates minus 2 comma 8 will be here at this point, minus 2 comma 8. Okay. Now next point is minus 1 comma 7. On x-axis minus 1 is here, on y-axis 7 is here. So our point will be here, minus 1 comma 7. Now next one is 0 comma minus 1.25. Here x coordinate is 0, so point will be lies on y-axis and y coordinate is minus 1.25. So our point lies between minus 1 and minus 2 on y-axis. So our point will be here, 0 comma minus 1.25. Okay. Now next is 1 comma 3. On x-axis 1 is here and on y-axis 3 is here. So our point will be here, 1 comma 3. Okay. Now next one is 3 comma minus 1. On x-axis 3 is here and on y-axis minus 1 is here. So the required point with the coordinates 3 comma minus 1 is here. Okay. Here 3 comma minus 1. Okay, students, all clear? Exercise complete.